Welcome to the Product Review Channel, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in tech innovations. Today we have something truly special lined up for you, a device that promises to change the way we think about smartphones. Today we're diving into the world of foldable phones with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This device promises to revolutionize the way we interact with our smartphones, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design that is sure to impress. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement piece, a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. The foldable design is not only eye-catching, but also highly functional, allowing for a larger screen and a compact form factor that fits easily in your pocket. The big question is, does it live up to the hype? With so many foldable phones entering the market, it's crucial to see if the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition stands out from the crowd and offers something truly unique. The Special Edition sets itself apart with exclusive design elements and software features. From its premium materials to its intuitive interface, every aspect of this phone has been crafted to offer a superior user experience that is both seamless and enjoyable. But at its core, it shares the DNA of the standard Galaxy Z Fold, a device that dares to redefine what a smartphone can be. The foldable screen is a game-changer, offering versatility and functionality that traditional smartphones simply can't match. We'll explore its unique features and see if this premium package justifies the price tag. From multitasking capabilities to enhanced camera functions, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Stay tuned as we unfold the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition and uncover what makes it special. We'll take you through the unboxing experience, setup process, and first impressions, giving you a comprehensive look at this innovative device. Let's find out if this foldable flagship is worthy of your attention and your hard-earned money. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of whether the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is the right choice for you and your lifestyle. The first thing you'll notice about the Z Fold Special Edition is its sheer size. This device is designed to make a statement, with its expansive screen that immediately catches the eye, drawing you into its vibrant display. Folded, it feels substantial in hand, like a small notebook. The weight and build quality give it a premium feel, making it clear that this is no ordinary smartphone. It's a device that exudes sophistication and elegance. Unfolded, it transforms into a mini tablet. This dual functionality is one of the standout features, offering users the flexibility to switch between a compact phone and a larger screen for productivity or entertainment. Whether you're watching a movie or working on a presentation, the Z Fold adapts seamlessly. The hinge, a crucial component in any foldable, feels robust and smooth. Samsung has clearly invested in making sure this mechanism can withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's a testament to their commitment to quality engineering. Samsung has made strides in durability. The Z Fold Special Edition is built to last, with materials and engineering that can handle the unexpected. Whether it's a drop or a splash, this device is designed to endure. The Z Fold Special Edition boasts an IPX8 water resistance rating, meaning it can withstand splashes and brief submersion. This is a significant improvement, providing peace of mind for users who are always on the go, ensuring their device remains protected. The exterior display is now tougher thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This advanced glass technology offers better protection against scratches and drops, ensuring the screen remains pristine. It's a small but crucial upgrade for everyday use. However, the crease down the center of the inner display remains noticeable, especially when viewing darker content. This is a common issue with foldable screens, and while it has been minimized, it hasn't been completely eliminated. It's a reminder of the challenges in foldable technology. While less prominent than in previous generations, it's a reminder that foldable technology still has room for improvement. Samsung continues to innovate, and future iterations will likely address this issue even further, making the Z Fold an even more compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. The journey of innovation is ongoing, and each step brings us closer to perfection. The Z Fold Special Edition boasts two displays, a 6.5-inch cover screen and a sprawling 8-inch inner display. The cover screen is bright and responsive, perfect for quick tasks like checking notifications or replying to messages. Unfold the device and you're greeted by the star of the show, a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Content springs to life with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. It's an immersive experience, ideal for multimedia consumption and multitasking. Section 4. Camera capabilities. Samsung has equipped the Z Fold Special Edition with a versatile triple-camera system. The main wide-angle lens captures sharp, detailed images in various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens expands your field of view, perfect for landscapes and group photos. A telephoto lens provides 3 times optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to the action. The cameras perform admirably, though they don't quite reach the same heights as Samsung's flagship S-series smartphones. Section 5. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Z Fold Special Edition packs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon processor. Paired with ample RAM, it delivers snappy performance and handles demanding tasks with ease. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to the spacious inner display and Samsung's refined software experience. The battery life is respectable, easily lasting a full day of moderate use. However, heavy use, particularly of the inner display, will drain the battery faster. Thankfully, fast charging and wireless charging options are available. Section 6. Special Edition Perks. So, what makes this Special Edition special? Firstly, it comes in an exclusive colorway with subtle design accents. The packaging is more premium, with included accessories like a high-quality case and S Pen. Software-wise, the Special Edition offers exclusive wallpapers, themes, and a slightly tweaked user interface optimized for the foldable form factor. While these additions are welcome, they don't drastically alter the overall user experience. Section 7. The Foldable Verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is an impressive piece of technology. It represents a significant leap forward in the realm of foldable smartphones, combining cutting-edge design with powerful performance and innovative features. It's a powerful, versatile device that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The ability to switch between a compact phone and a tablet-like experience is a game-changer for multitasking and productivity, making it ideal for both work and play. The expansive inner display is truly transformative, offering an unparalleled mobile viewing experience. Whether you're watching high-resolution videos, playing games, or working on documents, the display's quality and size make a noticeable difference, enhancing every activity. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Despite the advancements, there are still some areas where the device falls short, which potential buyers should be aware of. The crease is still noticeable, which can be distracting for some users. While it's a minor issue for many, it does remind you that the technology is still evolving and has room for improvement. The cameras, while good, aren't the best in class. They perform well in most conditions, but if photography is your primary concern, there are other smartphones that offer superior camera capabilities, delivering better results in various lighting conditions. And the price tag remains steep. The cost of owning this innovative device is high, which may be a barrier for many potential buyers, especially those on a budget. The Special Edition perks, while nice, don't fundamentally change the core experience. They add a touch of exclusivity and some additional features, but the overall functionality remains the same as the standard model, which is already quite impressive. If you're an early adopter seeking the cutting edge of smartphone technology, and are willing to pay a premium, the Z Fold Special Edition is worth considering. Its unique form factor and advanced features make it a standout device in the market, offering a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. However, for most consumers, the standard Z Fold or other flagship smartphones offer a more practical and affordable choice. These alternatives provide excellent performance and features without the high cost associated with the Special Edition. Thank you for watching.